In this video, I will show you how to make dripping effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start project. Then select Magic Wand tool and click Select Subject. Then click Mask option and select Move tool and adjust your image. Then click File and click Place Embedded option and import your PNG. Then decrease opacity your PNG to show background image and adjust your PNG according your image. Then increase your PNG opacity. And select Magic Wand tool and click your PNG, then right-click PNG layer and click Rasterize Layer option, and right-click to PNG and click Similar option and press Delete button on the keyboard. Then right-click here to PNG layer and click Select Pixels option. Then go up and click Select and click Inverse option. Then hide PNG layer. And click Image layer to mask and select Brush tool. And switch foreground color is black. Then erase extra parts according your image. And press Ctrl+D on the keyboard. Then click here and create new layer and new layer under the image layer. Then click Fill or Adjustment layer and click Gradient option and follow the process. Then again create new layer and select Brush tool to create shadow and follow the process. Then shadow layer opacity to 80%. I hope you enjoying this video. To like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.